This is Santa Maria di Leuca, a breathtaking coastal jewel sitting at the absolute tip of Italy's hill, right where the Adriatic and Ionian seas meet in spectacular fashion. In this video I'll take you on an unforgettable journey through crystal clear waters, hidden beaches, dramatic cliffs, and the timeless elegance of Leuca's stunning Liberty-style villas. We'll also set sail on an incredible boat tour to explore the famous caves of Leuca, secret natural wonders carved into the coastline and surrounded by turquoise water. But Leuca is more than just breathtaking scenery, it's the atmosphere, the slow Mediterranean lifestyle, and of course, the food. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming Italian adventures. Let's dive in! Our journey through Santa Maria di Leuca begins right here, along the beautiful seafront promenade. This is easily one of the most elegant and atmospheric spots in the entire Salento region. Fringed by towering palm trees and overlooking a sparkling bay, it completely captures that relaxed Mediterranean charm that has been drawing visitors here for generations. As you stroll along the promenade, it's impossible not to notice the magnificent Liberty-style villas that have become one of Leuca's defining features. Built between the late 19th and early 20th centuries, these impressive residences were commissioned by wealthy, aristocratic families from all across Puglia, who transformed Leuca into one of southern Italy's most fashionable summer destinations. The families actually competed with each other to build the grandest estates, drawing inspiration from Art Nouveau, Moorish, Gothic, and classical designs. More than a century later, these stunning buildings still line the shore, giving Leuca its completely unique sense of timeless grandeur. If you look closely at the rocky shoreline, you'll also spot the historic bagnarole, private stone bathing cabins painted to match the villas. They were built back at the beginning of the 20th century, so aristocratic ladies could bath in the sea, completely hidden from the sun and the public. The promenade is also home to several lidos and beach clubs, where locals and visitors gather to enjoy the crystal clear sea and the laid-back Mediterranean lifestyle. During the summer months, the area comes alive with cafes, restaurants, and the traditional evening passeggiata, where families and friends gather for a leisurely walk as the sun begins to set. Just one street back from the seafront stands the Chiesa di Cristo Re. Although it looks like a medieval church, it was actually built in the early 20th century in a neo-Romanesque style inspired by the historic churches of Puglia. Its beautiful stone facades, elegant rose window, and timeless architecture make it one of Leuca's most recognizable landmarks. And no visit to Leuca would be complete without sampling some of the local flavors. If you are craving something sweet, make a stop at Martinucci, one of Salento's most famous pastry shops. Be sure to try the pasticciotto, Salento's iconic pastry, and the unmissable Italian gelato. For a more savory option, head to Pocca and order a traditional puccia salentina, one of Puglia's most beloved street foods. The real magic of Santa Maria di Leuca begins when you leave the shore behind and head out to the sea. Located at the very tip of Italy's hill, Leuca sits where the Adriatic and Ionian seas meet, creating one of the most spectacular stretches of coastline in southern Italy. Towering cliffs, hidden coves, crystal clear water, and extraordinary sea caves makes this area a paradise for nature lovers. The best way to experience it all is by joining one of the many boat tours that depart daily from Leuca's harbor. Many tours also include swimming stops, giving you the chance to dive into the incredibly clear sea. Tours are very affordable, usually costing between 20 and 25 euros per person, depending on the route and duration, with departures available throughout the day. If you are looking for a company I can personally recommend, my favorite is Blue Marine Escursioni in Barca. Their team is friendly, professional, and passionate about sharing the beauty of Leuca's coastline. You'll find their contact details in the video description below, where you can call or email them to reserve your tour. Our next stop takes us high above Leuca to one of the most breathtaking viewpoints in all of Puglia, the Lighthouse of Capo Santa Maria di Leuca and the nearby sanctuary of Santa Maria de Terre. Perched at the very tip of Italy's hill, the lighthouse marks the dramatic meeting point of the Adriatic and Ionian Seas. Besides, it stands the sanctuary of St. Mary at the end of the earth, one of Puglia's most important pilgrimage sites. The sanctuary seen today dates largely to the 18th century and has welcomed pilgrims and sailors for centuries, standing at what was once considered the very edge of the known world. A short drive from Leuca brings us to the dramatic Ponte Ciolo, one of the most spectacular viewpoints along the Salento coastline. Below, the turquoise water cuts through the cliffs, creating a wild and untouched landscape that feels far from the calmer elegance of Leuca. From the bridge, the views are unforgettable: steep rock walls, crystal clear water, and a coastline shaped entirely by nature. Right next to the viewpoint, you'll also find a scenic bar and restaurant, perfect for a drink or a break, with an incredible view over the canyon. This area is also the starting point of the famous Sentiero delle Cipogliane, a hiking trail that follows the cliffs and offers some of the most beautiful panoramic views in all of Salento. Just a 10-minute drive from Santa Maria di Leuca, you'll also find one of the most beautiful stretches of coastline in all of Puglia, the famous Maldive del Salento. With its white sand, shallow turquoise waters, and almost Caribbean-like colors, it feels like a little piece of paradise on the Ionian coast. Right nearby is Le Cinque Vele Beach Club, one of the most elegant beach clubs in the area. Known for its relaxed luxury atmosphere, excellent service, and stunning sea views, it's the perfect place to unwind after exploring the wild beauty of Leuca coastline. To the west lies Gallipoli, about 45 minutes drive from Leuca. Known as the Pearl of the Ionian Sea, it combines a charming historical town with lively streets, fishing traditions, and unforgettable sunsets over the water. Along the Adriatic coast, you'll reach Santa Cesarea Terme in around 40 minutes. Famous for its natural thermal springs and dramatic cliffside setting, it offers a quieter, more elegant atmosphere with deep blue waters and striking coastal views. Farther north is Otranto, roughly 1 hour from Leuca. As the easternmost town in Italy, it's rich in history and character, with its impressive cathedral, fortified walls, and a stunning old town, overlooking some of the clearest sea in the Mediterranean. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found it useful, please don't forget to hit the like button and check out the links in the video description for my recommended hotels and things to do around Leuca. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure!